Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. My name is Swapnali. I have qualified CSIR NET exam 2 times and Maharashtra SET exam. Today I am going to teach you the topic is preparation of amine. This topic is very important for 12th student, also MSc BSc student and those students who are preparing for NET exam, SET exam and GATE exam. Now we discuss the topic. Topic is preparation of amine. Preparation of amines. For that we have to know what is the formula of amine. This is the formula of amine, RCH2NH2, and how we prepare the amine. The amines we prepare from the compounds containing carbon and nitrogen. And which compound having carbon and nitrogen, like nitriles, alkyl nitriles, nitroalkanes, amide. These compounds having the nitrogen means if you reduce the nitriles we get amine. If you reduce nitroalkane then we get amine. If you reduce the amide we get amine. Now we can see one by one. First we can see nitroalkane. If you remove the oxygen and add two hydrogens here, we get RNH2 plus twice H2O. Then for this reaction, which reagent we require? We require SnHCl. Here from SnHCl we require 6 hydrogen, 2 for nitrogen and 4 for water. We require 6 hydrogen. In bracket this hydrogen is called nascent hydrogen. Why it is called nascent hydrogen? Nascent hydrogen means newly born hydrogen. This hydrogen we get from SnHCl. Sn in presence of HCl we get H plus ions. This hydrogen reduces this nitroalkane to amine. Now we can see next reaction. If you use lithium aluminum hydride in ether. The lithium aluminum hydride consists of 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens. Here, if we remove 2 oxygen and we add 2 hydrogen here, we get RNH2 and byproduct is twice H2O. Next reaction is, these are the two nitroalkanes reaction. If you reduce the nitroalkane with the help of SnNCl, we get amine. If you reduce nitroalkane with the help of lithium aluminum hydride, we get amine. Next is nitriles. If you reduce nitrile with the help of lithium aluminum hydride, here 2 hydrogen is added from the lithium aluminum hydride. Here 2 hydrogen is added from lithium aluminum hydride, and this 2 double bond is reduced and we get RCH2NH2. Next reaction is, again we use nitriles. We reduce nitrile with the help of sodium in presence of C2H5OH. Here sodium in presence of ethanol, it gives the hydrogens, nascent hydrogen, and this hydrogen reduces the nitrile. Here 2 hydrogen added, here 2 hydrogen added, and this 2 double bond is reduced and we get RCH2NH2. These two methods from nitriles, if you reduce nitrile with the help of sodium in presence of ethanol, if you reduce with the help of lithium aluminum hydride we get nitriles, and from nitroalkane if we add SnHCl then we get RNH2. If we add lithium aluminum hydride, we get RNH2. Now we can see another reaction. If we use First we use RnO2, then we use RCN. Here we use amide. This is the fifth method. This is the amide. If we add two hydrogens here and this one oxygen is removed, here we add two hydrogens, then we get RCH2 NH2 and oxygen is removed in the form of water and we get amide. And here the reduction of amide take place with the help of lithium aluminum hydride. Again we use lithium aluminum hydride. Here also we use lithium aluminum hydride and we get amine. Here also we use lithium aluminum hydride and we get amine. Means the lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing agent used for the reduction of functional group. The next method is again we use amide and we add sodium in C2H5OH. Here also we use C2H5OH in sodium and we get amine. Here also we use sodium in presence of C2H5OH. It gives H nascent hydrogen. It removes the oxygen in presence in the form of water. Here we add two hydrogens and we get RCH2 NH2 and twice H2O. Next reaction is this is the seventh reaction for preparation of amine. This is seventh reaction for preparation of amine. Here we use amide. In seventh reaction we also use amide. Here we remove this CO, means here one carbon is decreased, means it is a degradation and the name of reaction is Hofmann degradation. The reagent used for Hofmann degradation is Br2 and KOH. Under heating condition we get RNH2. Here this CO removed in the form of carbonates. Here we require potassium KOH, potassium hydroxide 4 times we require and we get here K2CO3 and here 2 Br2 is 2, therefore the byproduct is twice KBr, means here 4 potassium hydroxide is required.